Hello Pisces, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and I'll also be using pendulum to check on your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. With that said, I wanted to remind you that this is a general energy reading. Also, I shuffled and premeditated on your energy, Pisces, focusing on mind, body, spirit. Also, being that we are in Virgo season, our polarity, and we have a blue moon on our sign of Pisces. I really wanted to bring in a little bit of that energy to see what it has to tell us, to how to better, again, bring in balance into our lives and see what other messages it brings us. So with that said, I'm going to shuffle just a few more times, see if anything wants to come out. Definitely the start. Have faith. Okay. So definitely I see here a lot of energy, a lot of like creativity, okay? But I do see it change. Definitely fast moving change. News, energies. To me, the wands represent the fire within ourselves, right? Well, for everyone. It speaks to our inspiration, our spirituality, our ideas, our energy flow. So with that said, it is basically saying that there is a change in how we move on our energy. There's definitely disagreements. There is competition, tension, some sort of a possibly aggression that is definitely showing face, and it's holding us back in some sort. Okay, but being that this came out for us, it's basically saying don't lose faith as to how we're using our energy or where you're applying the fire, your desires, your passion. 8 speaks about mastery. It speaks about action. It's an accomplishment. What are we trying to accomplish? See this more of a debate, like don't take things too personal. That will chain you to a negative perspective of things. The devil to me, it's not necessarily a bad card, okay? I feel like it's pushing us forward in a different way. It's having to look into our shadow selves, into things that normally we wouldn't look at. This is pretty much saying, I'm here to really show them to you so you can make those necessarily changes. It is an obsessive kind of energy. So again, what are we obsessing at? Be mindful of obsessing on the right things, on again things that bring you passion and creativity, and definitely energy flow. There's dependency here. It speaks about maybe materialism, some sort of abuse, or that feeling of feeling powerless. Or some sort of we're cheating ourselves by maybe not having faith, but not really understanding that the universe is there to assist us in these changes. And again, there's more coming for us. There's definitely, because it's in the middle, this is a little bonus, but to me it's saying there's something that we are gonna have a feeling of accomplishment in, and we're mastering something, and with that brings change and brings challenge, but it's how you take it. Don't stay in this kind of energies. Don't let the negativity get to you. Mostly have faith in that this changes are coming with positiveness. Okay, this and to be honest with you, this speaks a lot about like progress. It's sudden changes, it is excitement, it is travel, it is movement. Within this too. There's obviously some protectiveness, and that's okay. Like, go ahead and feel that, Pisces. Perseverance, like keep pushing through amongst the arguments, the aggression. Like, be mindful of these two, okay? Like, try not to fight right now. Try not to take things too personal. Stay away from things that you know bring you no good. And again, like I keep referring back to this, like, have faith that the universe has your back. That this star speaks of hope. Be hopeful. Stay in your hope, in your inspiration. I see a lot of creativity here, and this speaks a lot of creativity, of contentment, of renewal, serenity, spirituality, healing. So I hope that that you put your energy here on the healing, on the having faith, on being hopeful that whatever is coming to you fast, that it's gonna be progressive and excited, and you know that this move and this change gives you independence and allows you to be free from these two. Definitely have faith. Speak to the universe for yourself. And again, don't get angry. Be very mindful of not being too aggressive with your decisions, with your energy flow, because it's going to challenge you for sure, Pisces. So with that said, I will move on to your chakras, to your energetic system. Where can we bring in more balance? Where should we shed a little bit more light into in order for this particular season? And you know, Virgo is our polarity. So we have to be kind of in that kind of vibration. Virgo is very analytical, very charming, helpful. It's industrial, it's sharp, it's a perfectionist. So look into where you can be more analytical, be more persistent in the positive and not the negative, in order to bring that balance of both our polarities, our Virgo side and our Pisces side. Okay, thank you. Base chakra and crown chakra. This has been giving me for mostly all of the signs in the zodiac. There's something energetically happening for everybody that is saying bring in balance in your physical and your spiritual side. Base chakra speaks to connecting to earth, grounding, stability, balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots, security, survival, prosperity. Crown, connection to the universe, your spirituality, your awareness, your consciousness, wisdom, meaning, inner joy, your peace, your wholeness. Please bring in balance. Be present, pray. I give you thank, Pisces. We'll see you later. Thank you so much. Ciao.